we're now disassembling this car that we just painted, and we painted all together so we have an even color throughout. It's metallic, and sometimes they're a little bit hard to get here. So Tim's now block sanding all this out, getting all the orange peels where it'll be a show quality paint job throughout. And then we're going to come in here on the whole car, and we're going to come in and we're going to disassemble each piece of it, and he'll be doing the same thing. Now, as you walk down through, you see the entire vehicle has now been totally painted, and after each component is taken off, the body will be all sanded and buffed also, and then it will all go back onto the frame, and then for complete reassembly. But if you see we painted all of it. You walk up here, Lori, and you'll see where the front end's all been painted too, all in place, so we don't have any striping, and the car should have a beautiful paint job on it. That's it.